Alright, so here's how you switch from English to Spanish or any other language on our touchscreen. Touch this icon. Spanish, English. So we'll go to, put it on Spanish, go to the next screen. There's all your controls, all your buttons in Spanish. Does that switch it over? And now,
Yep.
the way to switch back and forth to English or Spanish or any other language is you touch an empty space in the screen and it toggles through the various languages. So here we're back to Spanish. Spanish. Back to English. Very simple. Main screen. Still in English. We'll go to Spanish by touching. So your operators can go either way.